Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Infiniti Q60. First, ensure your vehicle is locked and all doors are closed. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to remote start. Next, locate your key fob and prepare to press the necessary buttons. We'll walk through the exact sequence to get your engine running smoothly from a distance, ensuring your car is ready when you are. To begin, press the lock button on your Infiniti Q60 key fob one time. This action confirms the vehicle is secured. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for approximately 3 seconds. You'll typically see an arrow or a circular icon on this button. Your engine should then start, and the parking lights will flash twice, confirming successful activation. This simple sequence makes starting your car from afar incredibly convenient. The remote start feature on your Infiniti Q60 generally operates within a range of about 100 feet. Keep in mind that physical obstructions, such as large buildings or other vehicles, can sometimes reduce this effective distance. Once activated, your engine will run for approximately 10 minutes. If you don't enter the vehicle within this time frame, it will automatically shut off to conserve fuel and ensure safety. If your Infiniti Q60 isn't remote starting, first check your fuel level. It needs to be above 1/4 of a tank. Also, ensure there are no active warning lights on your dashboard, as these can prevent remote start. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual or contact your dealership. For other great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below this video. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.